In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards between lists efficiently on Trello. This task might seem simple, but mastering it can significantly enhance your productivity and organization skills when managing projects. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your project board on Trello. This is where all your lists and cards are stored for any given project. You can access it by clicking the appropriate link or heading to the Trello homepage and selecting the board you are working on. Once you're on your project board, it's time to identify the cards you wish to move. Take a moment to review your current setup and decide which cards need to be relocated to improve your workflow or update your task priorities. Now that you've pinpointed the cards you'd like to rearrange, click on them. If you have multiple cards to move, you can use the shift-click method to select more than one card at a time. This trick can save you a lot of time. With your cards selected, you have a couple of options. You can long press on the card you wish to move. Hold your mouse button down and drag it to the destination list. This is the simplest and quickest way to move a card, particularly if you're only dealing with one or two cards at a time. However, if you're looking for a more precise method or need to manage multiple cards, consider using the Move menu. Click on the card and locate the arrow next to the card's title. This opens a drop-down menu where you can click on Move. This option gives you additional control, allowing you to specify not just the destination list, but also the exact position within that list. Perhaps there's a specific order you're aiming for within your new list. If that's the case, take a moment to plan the position of your cards, ensuring your workflow is as seamless as possible. Once you've chosen the desired list, you'll then select the position within that list. You can scroll through the list to choose the position that matches your plan best. This feature is especially handy when working with structured processes, like Kanban or other sequential task management systems. Finally, conclude your move by hitting the Move button. This action confirms your selections and completes the relocation process. Your card should now appear in its new list location, exactly where you placed it. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive guide on how to efficiently move cards between lists in Trello. By following these steps, you'll maintain a well-organized board, helping you and your team stay on top of all tasks and projects.